significant. Popping perks like they Ritalin. I crack your face, master seconds breaking tackles. Wine with the cig, I keep it lit, this ain't tobacco. Free Lil Ivan out the cage, gang of shackles. Niggas try to ride my wave, you gon' sink without a paddle. Jumping in these oceans, do not dive without a life jacket. Every time I...
What's good, y'all? It's your main man, Daquan, and I'm back with another video for y'all. And in this video, we gonna be showing y'all how to dribble with 26 ball handling. And this is no clickbait. This is for real. I just made this player right now. You see, he is 60 overall, 35 speed, 26 ball handling, 32 acceleration. And this who we gonna be dribbling with. So stick around to the end. You see, we got no badges. If we had quick first step, this would make this whole process even a lot better, but we don't need that. You gonna see right here. Let's get straight to it. First, I'm about to show y'all 3 moves that you need to get into the combos. We gonna show the combos later, but this first move is the cross. This is very basic. How you do it, you just flick the right stick left and right. And the movement, you just standing still. You just gotta flick left and right. That's step 1. Move 1. We gonna get to the second move right here. Let's pick up a ball real quick. Hop back on the 3-point line. Next move is the hop cross. This is basically the cross, but we just gonna be hopping with it. You see right here, you just holding the stick left and right, standing still, no holding turbo, just left and right. Basically the same as the cross, but you just holding it down. And look how much space we creating. And this player is 7'3", has 26 ball handling, 32 speed, and look, we just hopping around with him. Look at all that space. If we could shoot, that's easy greens right here, and then we going to the races. Caught him lacking. I'm gonna show y'all the move again real quick. Let me take the ball out to the 3-point line. Again, standing still, no turbo. We go from ball hand to the off ball hand, but I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like if you go from ball hand to ball hand. Look, you go right to right. This is what you do. Look how slow that is. Look at that. That's why we go ball hand to off ball hand. See that? Look how clean that is. And look, caught him lacking again. Come on, bro. And we're gonna show you the next move right here. This is the third one. And this is just the hop step. To do it, you just flick the right stick back while running, and boom, it looks just like that. But look, that's what happens if you just do that move alone. Look, see how you fumble the ball? That's why you need to do it. And then you cross right after. Look, I'll show you right here. Look, hop step, tween, hop step, tween. And I'm gonna show y'all what happens if you hop step and you go to the ball hand, you go right. You do this slow ass move. You don't want to do that. You want to look how slow that is. You want to hop step and tween, cross. Like, this is not what we want to do right here. Look, this is what we want. It's fast, fluid. We change motions. We can go this way if we want, and boom, caught him lacking, bro. Come on now. We're doing all these moves with no quick first step. Like, look, hey, imagine if we did have quick first step. That'll just make that quick first step just faster. And you really only need that on goal too. But now we gonna get onto the combos, bro. The combos. But look, hop step to spin. This is just the spin we just did. We just adding a little spin to it. Look, hey, hop step, spin. Look at that, bro. Imagine if we could shoot and they had a guard up. We'd be off to the races. Look, this is so clean. There is 2 versions of this move, and before I show you this next one, just take a good look at this one. Like, it's just so clean. Like, this is probably one of my favorite out of all the ones I've shown so far, but this is the same one, except we don't have to hold turbos. Basically, we just doing the same movement, but we can do it infinite. We just spinning and pressing that back on the controller. That's all we pressing. Look, you run, hop step, spin, step back, spin, step back, spin. Like, that's literally all you have to press on your controller to do this movement. You don't have to press no turbo or movement at all. Like, this shit glitchy. But I know I said there's 3 main moves, but I'll show some more. But I'm gonna show you all some real combos. Now we already learned the moves. Look at these combos we hitting now. Hop step to spin to the cross to the hop step. Like, come on, you can't guard this. If you a stretch and you doing this, no one's guarding you, bro. No big man is guarding you. Unless you got one of those 6'9" dudes that everybody's making now. But yeah, it don't matter though, because we gonna get our shot regardless. We gonna drive by him regardless. You see hop step to the spin, to the drive, to the pull back. That's glitchy, bruh. I didn't mean to take that little step in and shoot. Let me show y'all what I really meant to do. Let me take that thing right back out. Again, hop step to the spin, to the drive, come on. And this is a pure red pie chart, so we ain't gonna be hitting none of these. But yeah, in this next combo, we're gonna hit the hop step to the spin back. That double spin. Come on, look. Hey, spin. And then we going to the other way. We should have put on a different spin move for this move. But y'all can do that. All these combos and moves, you don't need no type of animations for. I should have mentioned that in the beginning. But yeah, you don't. And if you can make any other combos yourself out of all these moves, leave them in the comment section. But for now, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. But wait, if you made it to this part of the video, comment that emoji right there. And comment if I helped you out at all. But yeah, I'm out.